I'm Dr. Anndrea Hatcher from Olive Branch Park Veterinary Clinic. Today I'm going to talk about the Savannah Monitor. Adult Savannah monitors need large enclosures and they are escape prone. They also attack prey by biting and shaking. 2 people should be present when working with Savannah monitors. This is not an appropriate pet for children. At their adult length, they are 3 to 4 feet long. Their enclosure temperature range should be 85 degrees Fahrenheit at the cool side and 90 degrees at the warm side. The basking spot can be 95 to 100 degrees. The enclosure should be 75 to 85 degrees at night. The humidity requirements are unknown at this time. Recommendation would be about 50%. The Savannah Monitor is diurnal. The lifespan is an average of 10 years, possibly longer. For enclosures, a hatchling can be started out in a 55-gallon aquarium, but he will quickly outgrow this. An adult Savannah Monitor needs an enclosure that is 8 feet long, 4 feet wide, and as high as practical to discourage escape because the monitor feels that he doesn't have enough climbing room. The enclosure must be very sturdy because adult monitors are strong and will push apart a weak enclosure. The room the enclosure is kept in should also have the door kept closed in case the monitor escapes his enclosure. The screen top of the enclosure should be locked. The sides should be glass or plexiglass. Mesh will get shredded by the monitor, and it is hard to keep a large open enclosure warm. UVA/UVB light should be shown through the screen top because UV won't pass through glass. Include a heavy-bottomed, appropriately sized water pan for drinking and soaking. Use the substrate the monitor can't accidentally eat and get sick from. Newspaper is cheap and easy to change for cleanliness. Another option is AstroTurf. So the equipment that you'll need if you're going to keep a monitor would be the enclosure, the UVA/UVB light. You'll need to replace the bulb every 6 months. An under-tank heater, ceramic heat emitter, reptile calcium and vitamin D supplement, and reptile multivitamin supplement, a container for water, a timer for the light, for the UVB light, which we do 12 hours on, 12 hours off, 2 to 3 thermometers, a humidity gauge, and tongs for feeding. For food, the Savannah Monitor is a carnivore. Hatchlings can be fed every 2 to 3 days. They can be fed crickets, earthworms, mealworms, and pinky mice. Dust the insects with calcium and a multivitamin supplement twice a week. Don't feed wild-caught insects because they may carry parasites and they may have been exposed to pesticides. Don't feed fireflies. Don't feed prey items wider than the space between the hatchling monitor's eyes. Adult monitors, at 3 feet long, can be fed pre-killed mice, small rats, gerbils, and hamsters. Frozen prey items should be thawed. You can use boiling water and offered to the monitor using tongs. Shedding will occur every few weeks to every few months. All reptiles may carry salmonella, which can cause disease in humans. Very young and very old humans are most at risk. Always wash your hands after handling reptiles. New Savannah monitors should be examined by a veterinarian and have a fecal sample checked for parasites. They should have yearly physical exams and intestinal parasite exams after that.